2 flights just got canceled, and one dude was sitting right next to me, and he was on one of those aircrafts that just got canceled, and he was going somewhere, and they canceled it because there was weather, and he had 2 friends on the phone that were there at his destination, and he said that there is no rain or anything. But last video I just caught lightning on camera, so I'm good. Looks like that didn't end out well. I feel bad for them. I wish that didn't happen. I hope Going to Springfield doesn't get canceled. If it does, I'll be so mad. What, like, probably is. It's so like lightning. Down. Yeah. I think a lot of people have caught lightning on camera.
Como cuando me despertó, cuando ya por fin salió nuestro vuelo, neta que yo estaba soñando así como que a lo lejos.
I'm eating my banana candy.
Super.
It's good. Sorry. Oh, here's my brother.
Certain measures have been implemented to ensure air transportation safety. Please pay particular attention to your luggage and personal belongings.
I broke my
Unattended luggage.
Well, I broke my collarbone,
Will be treated as
which
dangerous
is this right here.
Do not
And this is the collarbone that I broke.
individuals who do not know
Right
well
here,
take
collarbone.
articles aboard your
And
flight. We appreciate
if you guys can see, there's like a big bump. You see that? Yeah, you do. Look on the other one. There's not. Not. Yeah. Yeah. So, I'm like, chill. And, when I am, well, I'm gonna miss you. I might start doing, like, videos on, like, video games and stuff.